We're gonna clean this griddle up. I just got done cooking some breakfast sliders, or breakfast sandwich sliders. So it has a little bit of egg, some cheese, some just grease, and some other stuff from bacon cooking and everything. We're gonna clean this up really quick and show you that it doesn't take that much work. So typically, right after I'm done cooking, before I eat, I'll clean the griddle up. It takes no more than a minute, minute and a half, and then it's done. This time I had turned it off to eat, and I turned it back on because I want it hot when I clean it. So if you do end up going and eating, need to clean it later, that's fine. Just turn it on, get it hot again. So it's on high. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on low. It's been running for a couple minutes here and feels pretty good. I use this other scraper. I have the Blackstone one. That's a nice one too, but I feel like it's just a little too big. Just end up scraping it. I start with the edges. And then once I got the front and the side edges, I scrape it to the back. And depending on how much junk there is, I may scoot it to the side and scoop it up and throw it in the trash. Otherwise, I'll just dump it into the tray here. So yeah, and then I'll get the back side, scrape it. The only other thing left to do now is to wipe it with a paper towel. And I still have it on. It's pretty hot. I can see it smoking a little bit, so I'm gonna just turn it off. I'm gonna use 3 Bounty paper towels. I used to use microfiber cloths and all that stuff. It's just a hassle. These things, if you got a good season, it's not gonna leave any residue or anything, and as long as you don't sit there scrubbing it for too long. So I usually just bundle up 3 little pieces and get a little corner piece, get the edges or the inside edges there. There, the cleaning's done. I'm just going to oil it. I'm gonna throw a little bit of grapeseed oil down. Get 3 more paper towels or pieces of paper towels. Bundle them together. Just put a real thin coat on this. This is just gonna prep it and get it ready for the next cook, and also keep it from rusting out. There, I got a thin coat of oil on it. And it's ready to cook. So I'll just close it up, turn off the tank, and be ready for the next cook.